Today, I want to talk about insurance. Normally, I do not advocate mixing life insurance with investment. When you mix life insurance with investment, several costs come into play. What happens is the amount left for investing is very small. In the first year, a significant portion of the premium goes for paying agency commission. And then there is risk cover. That is basically the amount set off for covering your life risk. And then there is office expenses. And finally, the amount left for investment. Normally, in the first year, only 40 rupees out of the 100 rupees you pay is there for investment. In the subsequent years, it gets better and goes up to 70 to 75%. The numbers may vary separately. Therefore, return for investment is very poor in LIC. That is not the company LIC, any life insurance product. Thus, one should not mix insurance with investment. Then, what is the use of insurance? Insurance is a risk mitigation product. If you feel that you are having a particular risk, then you should insure against it. People who do not have enough assets that will take care of their family and near and dear ones in event of their untimely passing need to put out insurance. This insurance is known as term insurance. Pure term insurance means if you survive, you don't get any benefits. But in the event of your passing, your family gets the benefits. This is normally very cheap. And since most people don't opt for it, what happens is life insurance companies mix it with various products. Today, something interesting has been reported by IRDA. So I want to look into it. This is regarding the pricing of pure term policies. While I want to talk about it, first let's do the three following things. Hit the like button of my video and write comments. We engage with you, we'll be able to give you better content. Next, press the subscribe button of my channel and persuade your friends and relatives to do so. And finally, turn on the bell notification. Unless you turn on the bell notification, you will not receive every video we have pushed. That is the way the algorithm works. Welcome back to Be Rich. Today, newspapers are reporting that term insurance is going to get expensive. This means not only pure term insurance will get more expensive, insurance as a product will get more expensive. This is because five private insurance companies, including Tata AIA, Aegon Life, Max Life, and PNB MetLife, have found out that they have not measured their risks properly and the claims that are arising out of terms do not exceedingly high, and thus the companies are not able to make enough profits. Therefore, they need to increase the price of providing cover by 10 to 15%. Insurance is a product where the insurer should have a definite edge. Only then will he provide you cover. Edge means, like in a casino, the dealer is most of the time is going to win. Similarly, in term insurance, 9 times out of 10, it is the life insurer who is going to win. What has happened is, in worldwide, because of the COVID pandemic, global insurance companies have found that they have underestimated the risk of loss of life, and therefore they need to increase payments. Normally, what happens is when insurance is written, most companies reinsure the risk. Thus, they do not carry the risk of loss on their books. Global reinsurance companies have demanded that Indian insurance companies pay a lot more for global insurers to take the risk. They feel that the Indian insurance companies have not been able to capture the entire risks that are involved in insuring people, and they have been too eager to cut prices in order to get results. Thus, they are asking the private insurance companies to increase the prices. Several private companies, which I have named before, have already filed applications before IRDA for new term products which are more costlier and are waiting for approval. In insurance, you cannot set the product yourself. You have to design a product, put the pricing out, and submit it to IRDA. You can roll out the product only when IRDA approves it. Thus, products with higher insurance premiums for term insurance are pending with IRDA for approval. When companies were contacted by the press regarding this, they did not give any reply. Also, India's largest insurance company, Life Insurance Corporation is not willing to talk about it. They have not yet indicated whether they will increase the cost of term policies or not. It will be very difficult for private sector companies to take business if LIC continues to be price their term policies cheaper than what the rest of these guys do. This also has an effect on traditional insurance policies. This is because the component of traditional insurance policies, which is taken out for compensating insurance companies for risk, will go up. Thus, even lesser amount will be available for investment. So, either the returns will go down or you will have to shell out more. This balance is only possible is to be decided on how the customers accept the new pricing and whether they are willing to pay the same. According to some, the decision to increase term prices is because there has been an unexpected increase in claims across the globe and in India. Term insurance as a business is capital intensive, and a rise in claim means that the loss ratios increase. Now, there are two schools of thought. Either you write off these losses from capital, then which puts pressures on other portfolios, or you simply raise prices to support these risks. In the long term, insurance companies have no choice but to increase prices. Also, in India, there is no standard measured way to measure risks. Reinsurers globally feel that Indian life insurance companies must overhaul the underwriting practices to make them more stringent and standardized. This means that life insurance policies, especially for few pure term, which now get accepted automatically, will not get accepted automatically, and people will struggle to get term insurance if their profession risky or hazardous, and also if they have comorbidities. Let us wait and watch to see what happens in the insurance field. Thank you for watching. Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.